Welcome back to the session. Today we are going to learn about UiPath Maestro. Agenda would be today we have introduction about Maestro in UiPath, features of Maestro, how to access Maestro, how to connect with RPA workflows with Maestro. Okay, what is Maestro? UiPath Maestro is a platform for agentic orchestration that enables the design, deployment, management of collaboration between different AI agents, robots, and humans within complex workflows, which acts as an orchestration layer that connects with different elements, ensuring seamless coordination across automated processes. Features of Maestro: process modeling and design, which includes a BPN 2.0 standard, visual canvas, autopilot, and decision modeling. Orchestration and execution, which includes a multi-agentic stack, seamless integration, server-side execution engine, event processing architecture. Execution management, which includes instant management, human-in-the-loop tasks, process migration, and also traceability and compliance. Monitoring and optimization, which includes real-time visibility. We can able to see how the process flows in the backend, end-to-end performance tracking and process mining, and also we can see analytics and insights. Okay, we can see now how we can able to access Maestro into the UiPath. Now here we are in Maestro page. Uh, Click on breadcrumb symbol and you can find that Maestro link. Click on Maestro and click on start modeling here. Okay, so now we are into canvas. Here we have to design our process. Right now it is an agentic process 3. We can rename as Maestro first project. Okay, we have to click on start event, and here I want to add some delay, and after that we have to go to change element and select timer intermediate catch event. Okay, why? Because just I want to add the delay before starting the process. So here I want to select the duration and select that time 20 seconds I'm giving. Okay, now here I want to add two workflows. One is task 1, task 2. Okay, for that I want to add one condition over here. So under this condition I want to add two workflows, task 1 and task 2. Okay, for that we have to rename which is task 1 and the second one is task 2. Okay, I'm adding an event as well for each task. We have to select on that arrow symbol here and click on properties panel, and we have to add the condition under expression editor. Okay, we have to click on insert variable. Okay, for that variable creation we have to select on start event and go to properties panel and click on add new under arguments. Okay, I'm giving the value input value. Okay, I'm creating the variable as input value and by default I'm giving 2. click on save. Okay, now we have to add the condition under expression editor. Click on insert variable input value, okay, equals to 1, and similarly we have to add second condition as well using same variable. Click on input value equals to 2. Okay, till now what we have done, so we have added a delay around 20 seconds and I have added the condition. Based on the condition, let's say if I give the 2, so the task 2 will run, otherwise task 1 will execute. Okay, let me execute and we'll see how it works. Okay, I'm giving 1 now and we'll see how the flow works. Okay, it is started and it is waiting 20 seconds as a delay. After that it will check the condition, and now it should go to task 1. Okay, as expected, so task 1 is executed. Again we can run it again and we'll see the result. Let me give now 2. Okay, now again, so the process is waiting as per the delay we have given 20 seconds. After that the condition will check and now the task 2 should be run. See, so as expected the task 2 is executed successfully. Okay, now we can see in task 1 in the action tab, okay, we have multiple integrations we can configure, like we can integrate different types of RPA workflows and agents, external agents, API workflows, right? Now we'll add into the orchestrator and we can execute from the orchestrator level. So how the Maestro works. Let me publish before we are going to execute. Maestro first project, and here location you can add as per your feed. I'm adding now Maestro project feed. Click on publish. So it is published successfully. Click on UiPath orchestrator. Process first project. Click on next and create. Close. Okay, now we can see the live flow, how the Maestro works. Click on start job. Input value I'm giving 1. Click on start. See, now the event has been started and it is waiting under a delay 20 seconds and task 1 has been executed successfully, right? Okay, let me run it again. Now I'm giving the value input as a 2. We can't start. We can't refresh. Now we can see, okay, already the event has been started and it is waiting under delay 20 seconds. So yeah, task 2 has been executed successfully. So like that, Maestro works. For the next session, I will add into the task 1 and task 2 different workflows, RPA workflows and agents, and we can see the demo in the next session. I hope you guys enjoy the session. Thanks for watching.